Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. And so here we are. Fears. So, okay. So this morning, our pre-market analysis, we did say that price, as you can see, the exit strategy called sell here, sold down, called a buy here, was a buy, TP hit, called a sell here, TP hit. What we said this morning was price was going to get to this break past the 42.59, possibly break past the 42.59.9 area that I have marked as a previous area that we saw price would come to. Well, we said it was going to come back to the 42.86.8. That was the ceiling. And so it came down to the 42.59. Price broke past there and came back down to the 42.35 where we said it was going to come to. And then we said price was going to come to possibly the 41.94. Price came down. It is not at the 41.94 yet, but we'll see here. It's 9:30 the open right now, and price is, we'll see what it's doing. But let me say this, we have a double top. And so a double top, we got here possibly candlestick pattern. We have this here where price is right here. One, you got your M that is formed, double top. 1, 2, that's usually a bearish reversal. And so let's see how far it goes down. Possibly on the 4-hour time frame, if we look at the higher time frame, we're automatically thinking, oh, it's not going to go that far. Well, it may reject this morning. It may start to buy back up. We'll see. But on the 4-hour time frame, on the daily, I'm sorry, it's the daily time frame, we see the price possibly could even come back to, if it would do right this morning, and come back to that 4075.7 area. Yes, can come back to that area, can come a little lower to the trend line, which is this area here. This is our trend line, the 4019.7. So price can come back to that area that is on the daily time frame. And so we'll see if price is going to pull back, if they're going to have price pull back to that area before they take price to a new all-time high. So we got a pullback right now. Price has pulled back nicely. And so we will see if they're going to continue to push price down this morning or if they're going to come in and buy. And so going to, that's the 4-hour time frame. We go down to the 15-minute. We are looking at the 1 hour though for our bias. 1 hour, 15, 5-minute for our entry. And so looking to see where price is getting ready to go. And more than likely going to hit this 41.94 area. We will see, kind of ranging right now. It's choppy. It's ranging. It has not pulled back to the trend line here. So we can get a pullback and see if price is going to pull back up or if it's going to continue back down. We will see what price does here. But that is what we're looking at with MGC futures gold. As you can see, it was called, a sale was called here. I believe on this one, we got a stop out on that one. But here, a buy was called and price continued to move up, pull back for re-entry. And so it stopped out and then it moved up into the direction of the buy. And so we're looking to see what the trend is going to be for today. Where is price going to go? Is it going to continue to push down? It's going to sell, or are we looking for price to continue to buy up? That is what we're looking for this morning. That is what we're looking to see. If we're getting a strong rejection candle, I would love to see a pin bar. There we go on the 1 hour, but I would need that to close before I'm thinking that it's going to buy up. But we'll see if we get that strong rejection candle and if price is going to continue to buy up from this zone. But right now, it is rejecting from this area. The buyers look like they're possibly coming in just for a short period of time. And look, we have not had a pullback to the trend line yet. So it's possible that price can come back up to this area. Let's see where price goes this morning. But definitely looking to wait to see what the trend is going to be. I explained that we're not going to probably get a call on the Exodus only because it's already called a sale and it is in that momentum. So we would need a crossover for the buy. We would need a buy crossover for us to get a signal, for a signal to be let off for the buy. And right now the institutions are coming in and they are buying gold back up. And so let's see this candle. Yes, they are not playing. They said we're gonna is low enough now. And so let's see if they're just taking it to this trend line or we're going to get a crossover on the 5-minute time frame. That is what we're looking for the entry for a buy, a crossover. We want price to give us the momentum for a buy. Now, if it decides to pull back down, come back, just get to that trend line and then pull back and continue to push down, then that is where we're looking to see. But right now it's looking like they're going to take price. Let's see if we get the momentum for a crossover on the 5-minute time frame. That is what I'm looking for, a crossover. I'm looking for price to cross the crossover here. And so they are in buying up. We got accumulation. So let's see. Hold on one second. Let me go back. Where price could possibly come back to this morning. We can get it. We can get it to that, possibly to that trend line of close to the 4259.9. Now we're looking at the 1 hour. Hold on. It's possible that it can go to the hold on one second. This trend line here, which is the 43.13. So let's see what price does this morning. It is pushing up. We have a nice rejection candle. Let's see if it closes that way and if price is going to continue to buy up. We are looking for entries for a buy if we get that crossover on the 5-minute time frame. We're looking for entries for a buy. Price pull back strongly to our areas, and on the 5-minute we got another candle and looks like price is coming up. Let's see if we get a nice push up for the buy. Let's see what we get this morning. And so guys, that is, so we have, what is it, 940. We got a pullback. Let's see if price is going to continue to push up though and give us nice buying momentum. It's 940, 945. We want to see what the trend is going to be for the morning. We want to see what the morning trend is, what price is going to do this morning so that we can ride the trend. We enter in and then we ride the trend. Right now, we're seeing if price is going to push back down or we're going to get a crossover for the buy. Let's see what we get. And this again is on the 5-minute time frame. It's on the 5-minute time frame. Definitely want to wait for me. I'm waiting for a signal to fire off for a possible buy. If I don't get that signal, I'm going to wait and see what price is going to do as far as a push down. As far as price going lower than it already has gone. And you see it's pulling back. So let's see if that was just, let's see if the sellers are still in control. Let's see. And so we are looking, hold on, what did I just do? 9:42. Once the market settles, about 10 o'clock, we should be looking for our trend, what the market is going to be doing. Let's see if we're going to get a crossover. If this is just a pullback and price is going to continue to push up. Let's see if we get a crossover. And so this is on the 5-minute. If we go to the 15-minute, let's see where price came to. So it came up and then it pulled back. So let's see if it's going to push back up. If we're going to get buying momentum today, or if we're going to continue short. Let's see. Good morning. Good morning. And so I did catch some of the move down, green. And so this is where we talk about candlestick patterns, guys. They do make a difference. They tell you the story of the market, momentum, oscillators, all of that helps you to understand where your entries and your exits are. You have to understand those things so you are entering and exiting the market at the right time. They're not just there just to be red and green. They're there to tell you the story of who's in control of the market, the buyers or the sellers. And so that is what we have going on this morning, looking to see who's getting ready to look at that. It's a push, that push down. We might get it to that 4194.4. Let's see if that was just a pullback to that trend line before price moves down. And so we have about 40 seconds on this candle before we get a new 5-minute candle. Let's see, and let's wait. We are waiting for our setup. We are waiting. I am waiting for my setup. So it's 9:44, and at 9:15, I am going to jump off, have some errands to run, but I am going to see if my alert is going to be set off. And if it is, then I know what I will do this morning. So guys, that is the end of our analysis for this morning. It did pull back to those areas that we said it was going to pull back to. And guess what? We're just waiting to see what price is getting ready to do from here. And so are we going to get a further push down to that 41.94, or is price getting ready to buy back up? Right now, the market is not much activity right now. So, and it's 9:45. Let's see what 10 o'clock brings. Okay. I will talk to you soon. See you tomorrow.